do is we'll take, once we open this up, we're going to take this one, which is the honey box, and it should have nothing in it but honey, and we'll put it in one of those two crates and put a lid on it and try to get all the bees off. And then we'll put a lid on it, and I'll take it around, we'll put it right in the garage, and then we won't have to worry about it. I want to check in this too to see what's going on, but this top box is a honey box, and we're going to more than likely, whoops, take everything out of it, because the bees don't put brood up in the honey, or in the honey box. So as we can see, there is a lot of bees.
I'm going to step back.
And so, as you can see, they are everywhere.
So how many bees do you have?
I understand that they say an average healthy hive can have as many as 30,000 bees in it. Because we're going to take these frames that have honey in them, and we're going to take them around to the garage where we can process the honey. But we don't want to take all the...
You want to take the bees?
We don't want to take the bees. So what we're doing is we're pulling these bees out of here.
So how do you do that without totally
oh, you don't. And I have a brush.
Oh yeah, underneath the frame.
And of course I lay it over here.
Take care of it nice and easy.
And I will try to get them to...
Okay, those are the ones that are super pissed now. You got one on the other side.
Yeah, there'll still be a few.
Because they'll go back down there?
Yeah, but that's the reason I'm going to put a cover on it, and hopefully they'll stay out of there a little bit. And so like I said, this is the honey box. This is what I put on here for honey for me to process and take.
Step closer.
What's in the hive itself, we will leave the majority of that for the bees for their food for the winter.
Yeah. You're only harvesting yeah.
Now look at that. That is a full frame of honey, capped, just pure honey.
You only harvest, what you call harvest?
Right.
You only harvest the top frame.
Correct.
That's the smaller one.
Yes.
So you call the two bottom frames what?
Those are brood boxes.
Those are brood boxes. Okay, that's where they breed.
That's where they lay all their babies.
Lay all the eggs.
And hatch all the eggs, and the nursery, and they take care of the bees there. And this is the honey that they're storing when they run out of room in the main hive, and they start storing it up here. So that's the reason, once they get really packed here, I put a honey box on top, and all the excess is up here, and the excess is what we take and bottle up. But I need to always make sure to leave plenty for them for their winter food. But I also do some things, some people do, some people don't. I put a sugar box on it. That's what I call it's a sugar box.
Yeah, I've seen
And-
you do that. That's not this.
No.
No, that's something.
And I'll show you that when we go in the garage. But they call this propolis. You see all this gummy stuff?
Yeah.
And boy, it is like natural super glue. You get it on stuff, you can't get it off. Look at that frame. That's probably 15 pounds at least.
Oh, honey?
Yep. It weighs, that's gotta weigh 15 pounds.
Feel that.
Don't drop it.
No, I won't. Oh man, look at that. That is. Oh no 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 no. Oh, okay. Go ahead. What? Go ahead. I'll hold it. That's fine. Go ahead.
I'll get it. I'll get it.
Dan, if I get stung, don't worry. I'll still come back.
There you go.